Cannot wait to get these off. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Pixelray MUA, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get this glam drugstore prom look. So I just tried to make everything really wearable, and as I do explain later on in the video, any of these colours that I've got on my eyes now can be interchanged for colours to maybe suit your dress or your theme or whatever look you're going for. I've just shown you the basics of actually how to do a cut crease and to just give you some tips on how to make your makeup last all evening. If you are going to prom and doing your own makeup, please let me know down below. I'd be really interested to see who's doing their own makeup or who's having a professional to do it. Don't forget you can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. I'll just leave my handles down below. It's just Pixelray MUA everywhere. If you do like this video, please don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up. It really means so much to me. And if you are liking my videos, please subscribe. If you would like to see how to get this glam drugstore prom look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see I do have my base on already. I think the best thing to do for prom is, if you're doing it yourself, just use a foundation that you know works for your skin. There's loads of great drugstore options, for example the Revlon Colour Stay, the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay. My one tip for foundation and concealer and powder is use something that you know works for you, because you don't want to put on a foundation that when you get to prom you've never worn it before and then it starts coming off or looking oily or patchy or anything like that. So yeah, just really suggest that you go with what suits you and your skin type. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to contour. Now I'm going to go quite heavy on the contour as there will be quite a lot of photos at prom and I want to make sure that my cheeks look really nice and sculpted. So for this I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour. I'm using a darker shade today because I don't know if you can tell, I've got a fake tan on, but I'm super pale anyway, so well you'll know that if you watch my videos. But if you don't watch my videos, normally I'm super pale, like as white as this wardrobe here. Like that is literally how pale I am. So I do have a bit of fake tan on. Obviously my softbox lights are making me look a little bit paler, but in real life I do look a lot darker. So today I'm going to start contouring with this colour here. And the main advice I can give you for contouring, I do have a full video actually, so I will link it up in the card. Obviously you have to go with the structure of your own face, but the basic principles are still the same. So wherever you want it to go in, you want to make it look darker. Wherever you want to bring it up, you want to make it look higher. So obviously if you find your own cheekbones, I'm just going to start obviously just placing that where I want it and blending. And so I use that on quite a flat brush, and then just to bronze up I'm going to go in with the more bronzy kind of shade, and on a more fluffy brush I'm just going to start warming up my face. So I'm going to go onto my temples, only a small bit on my forehead because I don't have a very big forehead, but obviously if you want to make your forehead look smaller you just bring your bronzer down more. Okay, and then using the contour shade again that we used our cheeks, I'm actually going to take this small brush here. And what I like about this brush is I can really get a lot of control over where I want to put the rest of the contour. So I'm going to do it under my lip as it will make the bottom lip look bigger. I'm also going to go down each side of this bit here, filtering, that's what I think it's called. So yeah, just here and in the centre, and then also down my nose. Okay, so as you can see that's just giving a little bit more structure and definition to the face. Okay, and as we are doing a drugstore look and I am trying to keep the cost down for you guys for this one, I'm going to use the same palette just to do the highlighting as well. So I'm going to go in with the white shade. And I am just going to highlight the usual points on my face that I normally highlight. And as you can see, this highlight is insane. So I actually think that this palette was £8 and you get, how many? You get 8 shades in it, all different things. I've used this for years and years and years. I've put this in my makeup kit. It's great for doing like brides or anyone else like that on location, models, just because there's so many different colours, and I do have the darker one as well, obviously for deeper skin tones. Okay, and I am going to add some blush to the look as well. I'm going to use the Sleek blush in Rose Gold. I believe this is a dupe for one of the NARS ones. I can't remember which exact one it is. Putting the blush on after sort of just merges it all together and makes the contour and the highlighter and the blush just all look seamless. So whilst you're at prom, you're going to want to keep that makeup set in place all night. You'll be dancing, having a good time with your friends. You might be wearing this makeup for a long time as well, so you really do want to set it. So this is just the Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray, and like I said before, I have oily skin and this stuff really does help. Okay guys, so we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor After Party palette. This is one of their Christmas palettes, but I thought this was really great for prom as well, as it is like a party palette, and the packaging is absolutely stunning. I'm now covered in setting spray. Ugh. So today guys, I am going to do a basic warm cut crease. The colours I'm going to use are going to be just basic kind of colours, nothing crazy, nothing out of this world. Just so if, you know, you want something a bit more, not natural for prom, but wearable, then this is it. Or you could easily switch out a lot of these colours that I'm going to be using to match your dress or your jewellery or whatever kind of theme you're going for. Just basically take the basic principles of what I'm doing on my eyes, but just apply the colours that you want. The first colour I'm going to go in with is Celebrate. And I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush and start working that into our crease. And then I'm going to go in with the colour Until Dawn. And again, I'm just going to start working that one into the crease. And on my clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to start buffing out the edges of this just to make it nice and seamless. And I'm just going to keep popping that into my crease and blending it out with the clean fluffy brush until I'm happy with the colour payoff. Okay, and then with the colour Up All Night, I'm going to take another fluffy brush and start running that into the crease and onto the corner of the eye. With a flat brush, some concealer, I'm just going to start carving out my crease. So the concealer I'm using is the Last Imperfection by Collection in Fair. And then once I've got a basic shape like this, I'm just going to look up, and where you can see it's transferred, I'm going to tidy up, and that is where your cut crease should be. I'm actually going to go quite bold. Like I say, you can pick whichever colours you want. So I'm going to go with Walk With Me. Take a flat brush and just dampen it with the setting spray. Okay, and then on the fluffy brush, I'm just going to take that dark brown again, which is called Up All Night, and just start to blend. And I'm actually just going to turn our flat brush around and use the colour Hang On. And what I'm going to do is just start placing that into the centre part of the eye, just to sort of brighten it up a little bit. And I'm actually going to go into the colour Intimate, which is the gold colour. Again, just the same principle. just to make this a little bit more interesting and brighter. Okay, and underneath I'm going to again take a mixture of Celebrate and Until Dawn, which were the colours that we put in the transition to begin with. Just on the same brush, I'm just going to take them together and start running those under the eyes. Okay, and then going back to our Ultra Contour palette, I'm just going to go in with the highlighter again. I'm just going to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. I am just going to do a winged eyeliner, and I'm going to go in with the NYX Epic Ink liner. You could just pop on some mascara and be done, or you could do some false eyelashes. I am going to put some false eyelashes on today, so I'm just going to do a very light coating of mascara. But a good mascara to use is the Get Big Lashes by Essence. I believe this was $2.99, $3.99, something like that, so super affordable. Yeah, so I'm just going to go off camera to do my lashes. I will be right back. So this is the eyes finished. Obviously I haven't done my eyebrows today on camera. They are already done because, again, with Prom you really want to be using something that you know works for you and doing them how you like them, not how obviously I do mine, because everyone's different with their eyebrows, and I do believe eyebrows are probably one of the most personal and probably most important things to me anyway. Eyebrows are really important, so you know. But yeah, so this is the eyes. Okay, and for lips I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour in Mocha. So this is the finished look. I think if I had my prom again, I would go for something like this. The makeup I did at prom wasn't great. Well, I actually didn't have prom in year 11. I had a sixth form ball at the end of year 13 because I stayed on at school to do sixth form. Our school doesn't do a year 11 ball. I don't know if it does now. It's been a long time since I've been at school. I would never have done my makeup like this at prom, just because makeup wasn't as big when I was younger and it wasn't really a thing. I still was rocking a winged liner. I've been doing winged eyeliner since I can remember. So if you are on a budget and doing your own makeup, I hope this really helped. I'm going to be doing a festival look soon as well, so do keep your eyes out for that one. If you did like this video, don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up. I hope you have an absolutely lovely time at prom. Enjoy it, take loads of photos, and just, you know, have such a good time because you only get to do it once. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you do like my videos, and to just hit notification button, which is just the little bell beside the subscribe button, just so you can be notified every time I upload. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.